All right, next we're going to talk about steaming the milk for your latte. You grab your steaming pitcher and your milk. For a double latte, and the cup is 14 ounces, you have 2 ounces espresso. So you're going to pour the milk in there, and for a 14-ounce latte, you're going to pour the milk right about up to that ridge in the pitcher. That should be enough milk for it, and then you go to steam it. What you're going to see me do is drop the steam wand down into the milk and turn on the steam wand. Once I do that, there's 3 processes in steaming the milk, and the first is dropping the tip of the steam wand below the level of the milk and start to get that milk swirling around in the pitcher. You keep it swirling until the temperature of the milk about matches the temperature of your hand. Start to feel it break, and it's right at about, of course, 100 or like 100 degrees. You then drop the pitcher down so that you begin introducing air into the milk, and that's where you're creating the foam. Since this is a latte, I'm not going to have to do that for quite as long as I would for a cappuccino, because a latte has a little bit less foam than a cappuccino. And then push your steaming pitcher back up and submerge the tip of the steam wand and keep the milk steaming until you reach the proper temperature of the milk for the drink.